My topic is the current status of pediatric cardiac nursing in India. Approximately 90 pediatric cardiac centers are available in India. Around 2050 nurses are working in pediatric cardiac centers. Annually, about 40,000 of CHD patients, including foreign countries getting treated in India. Let's look into some of the key points. Nurse education and advanced training, user-friendly technology and other advancement equipments, documentation work which has advantages and disadvantages, barriers and challenges which the nurses are facing in India. Coming to the status of nursing and education and training, even the pediatric cardiac nursing is super specialty. We are getting nurses with a limited entry-level knowledge. There are different courses like critical care nursing, advanced pediatric cardiac nursing are available in some of the institutions of India. Awareness of these courses is less among the pediatric cardiac nurses. Even they are aware, access to these courses is very minimal. Most of the research and publications are from Western countries, so makes use of their outcomes in Indian scenario is not appropriate. Each center has having their own protocols and procedures, so there is no uniform standard in protocols. As there is a shortage of workforce, getting permission to attend the CNEs and conferences is difficult. Nurses not getting any sponsors for registration and other expenses compared to other healthcare professionals. What is needed for advanced training? The simulation labs enable the nurses to refine the skills and develop competences before caring for the patient in the actual clinical settings. In India, only a few centers has it. Including IT advancement into the nursing education helps the nurses to adapt work in modern ICUs. Nurses who use problem-solving skills see problems not as obstacles but an opportunity to improve the patient care and health well-being. User-friendly technology and other advancement equipments. Introducing a wireless technology in ICU, which helps to prevent tangles of wires, is better to manage space, equipment, and relocate the devices as patient as needed. But in India, we are waiting for this technical advancement. In an emergency situation, just enter the height of the patient in the AI ventilator. It will automatically calculate the appropriate set rate and volume to the patient. We can easily manage till the experts arrives. Some of other advanced equipments to help the nurses nowadays are network interface monitoring, highly precise fluid control pumps, and advanced EMR tablets. Let's see the documentation work. Due to the accreditation process, nowadays we are doing a lot of documentation work which have both advantages and disadvantages. Some of the advantages are a significant reduction in error, indicate the quality of care, and also helps data collection process for researchers. When it comes to disadvantages, we are handling huge volume of data for each patient. Because of this, the workload is more, which compromises the patient care. Doing too much documentation leads to stress and it consumes a lot of time. Is it more like a multitasking? Barriers and challenges. We super specialty nurses are getting payroll which is equal to the nurses who works in normal setup. The nursing is a profession based on scientific knowledge and skills. The pay they are getting is low compared to other profession. Busy shift, long working hours, poor working condition, and stress are making pediatric cardiac nurses to get burnout syndrome. Nurses has to do a multitasking like respiratory therapy, plate therapy, etc., which put on additional burdens among Indian nurses. Irrespective of whatever degrees and skills the nurses have, unfortunately, they are still socially viewed as a servant in a healthcare delivery system. Because all of the above points, nurses are leaving their jobs and switching over to low pressure departments or even leaving their job within the span of 2 to 3 years. Communication and interaction skill will improve the quality of nursing care. In India, and some nurses are lacking in this aspect. The nurses are backbone of the healthcare delivery system. Nursing in India is improved drastically even though there is a lack of recognition. All area of nursing, including education, training, administration, and research, requires changes and reform to incorporate best standard of practices. Team working culture of the healthcare professional rather than the hierarchical model ensure best results. The future depends on what you do today. Mahatma Gandhi. In this, I'm concluding it. Thank you.